Tylenol. Well, let me tell you something about Tylenol. Way back in 1983, when I got pregnant, the doctor said, don't take Tylenol or ibuprofen. Don't take anything when you're pregnant. That was 41 years ago or more. So I had 5 babies with no pain meds, no ibuprofen, no Tylenol, just natural childbirth. I did it five times. And now everybody's acting like this is some new off-the-wall thing about Tylenol. I have known about Tylenol for over 40 years. So let's not get in a tizzy over Tylenol.